Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Beautiful salad on the menu today. We're going to make a fresh oregano salad. I've got that straight from my garden. Very lucky that we got an abundance of it. I mean, we've got loads and loads of it. So fresh oregano. We've got lots of other different vegetables in there. As you can see, we've got some feta cheese on the top with some pomegranate molasses or sauce. It's really, really delicious. By the way, the Arabic word for oregano is zuba. This is a beautiful Middle Eastern stroke Arabic salad. Let's get on with it. Okay, so let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got grated carrot, tomato, white onion and cucumber, all cut quite small, as you can see, and roughly equal amounts. I've got some black olives here. I'm using a Kalamata olive. I've taken the stones out. And here, the star of the show, we've got our fresh oregano straight from the garden. Now, this type of oregano, there's several types. This is a big fat leaf. It's quite thick and very, very pungent. So the first thing we're going to do is that's been washed, by the way. What we're going to do is chop this up, and then we're going to get this mixed in with just a few other ingredients. It's delicious. So we've got a mixing bowl here. Now I've chopped my oregano like that. So it's quite big. If you want, you can go in and chop it again and get it finer than that. Simply, we're going to add the carrot, the onion, the cucumber, the tomato, the olives, and I'm using these Kalamata ones. You could be using something different if you want. To that, we're going to add some salt, some black pepper, and then I'm going to add equal parts of lemon juice and olive oil. Nice quality virgin olive oil. Very simply, let's give that a mix and then we can move on to the next part. Okay, so I've got that now mixed and on my serving plate. Next up is feta cheese. Nice crumbly feta cheese on the top there. Here we've got some pomegranate molasses. Give it a nice kind of sweet, like a kind of pomegranate sauce. And then we're gonna just sprinkle on the top to finish it off some sumac. A lot of you are going to ask me what sumac is, so I'm going to leave a description below in the text. That's it. That is beautiful. What's really going to pop out in there is the oregano. Fresh oregano is super, super strong, and it's just going to give it a wonderful, wonderful flavor. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.